Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a trader using MetaTrader 5, you know how crucial it is to have the right time zone set up, especially with global markets moving 24/7. In this quick tutorial for 2025, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change your time zone in MetaTrader 5, so your charts and indicators align perfectly with your local time or trading preferences. Let's dive right in. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is installed and launched on your computer or mobile device. Once you're in the platform, head over to the top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down, select Options. This is your gateway to all the customization settings. In the Options window, navigate to the Server or Expert Advisors tab, depending on your version. Here, you'll find the time-related settings. Look for the Time Zone option. It's usually listed as a drop-down menu. Click on it and select your desired time zone from the list. For example, if you're in New York, choose Eastern Time, or if you're in London, go for GMT. After selecting your time zone, hit OK or Apply to save the changes. Now, to verify, open a chart of your favorite currency pair. Check the time stamps on the candles. They should now reflect your new time zone. If you're using mobile, the process is similar. Go to the settings icon, find General or Account Settings, and adjust the time zone there. One quick tip. Always double-check your broker's server time, as it might affect your trades. Changing the time zone won't mess with your historical data, but it ensures real-time accuracy. There you have it. That's how you stay synced in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.